friends, in today's video I will be talking about CELPIP Speaking Part 2. So CELPIP Speaking Part 2 is talking about your personal experience, and the main problem that you face in this part is about generating ideas. So what I'm going to do in today's video, I have taken these three questions, and all these three questions are quite similar to each other. It means only one answer or only one main idea is sufficient to answer all three questions. So instead of preparing so many different topics, it's better you prepare some common ideas, and these common ideas you can use in different topics. Okay, so let's see what I've taken today for you. So the first topic is talk about the time when you had to complain. Maybe you can talk about an online shopping experience, a restaurant visit, or your workplace. So these are just the advices that they give us, that we can choose any topic. It is up to us. Then the questions: what was the situation? Whom did you complain, and what was the result? So make sure you must answer these things. What was the situation? Whom did you complain, and what was the result? So this is the one question. Another question is talk about the time when you had a bad experience while shopping something online. What did you purchase? What was the problem, and what was the result? Third one is an experience when something did not happen the way you expected. So what did you think? What actually happened, and how did you deal with it? So these are three questions, and we are going to discuss one common answer for all three questions. And at the time of discussing the answer, I'm going to discuss two different answers for you. So one response is for CLB 10 or 11 with advanced vocabulary words, and another one is a simple one, and that is specifically for the students who just want to score CLB 5, 6 or 7. So they can understand nicely and they can follow it. Okay, so here is the first response, and at the time of opening we should give some opening sentence. That opening sentence will give you some time to think. Okay, so it can be: I had an unfortunate incident recently that left a strong impression on me. So whenever you have something unfortunate to talk about, you can always start like this. It all started when I purchased. So what? When I purchased a Dell laptop online and was ecstatic upon receiving the parcel. So ecstatic is very happy. Instead of asking very happy, it's better you use other words. So you can use ecstatic, you can use cheerful, was cheerful, I was delighted, I was over the moon, I was on cloud 9. So these different words or phrases you can use instead of only using happy. Okay, so I was ecstatic or I was delighted upon receiving the parcel. However, my excitement turned to disappointment when I unboxed it and discovered that the screen was damaged. So might be it got damaged due to shipping. I promptly contacted customer service and provided all necessary details. So promptly is immediately. Okay, so instead of asking I immediately or at the same time I called the customer service. So at the same time I called the customer service, I would better say I promptly contacted and provided all the necessary details about the purchase. The customer care representative listened attentively, like carefully. He heard everything and assured me that a replacement would be sent. True to their word. Okay, so this is again a very beautiful phrase. True to their word, a new laptop arrived 2 days later. I was delighted. Again, I was happy to have the issue resolved so efficiently. Efficiently means quite nicely. The replacement laptop was in perfect condition, and I was finally able to enjoy its features and performance. This experience reinforced my confidence in their customer service and commitment to quality. So reinforced means motivated me, or that I got a trust that okay, this company is quite reliable, so in future I should keep purchasing the product from them. Okay, so if you see the response that we have discussed over here, so the situation is I purchased a Dell laptop online. I was very happy when I received it, but it was damaged. So I contacted the customer service, I provided the details, and then they sent me a new one. Okay, so this is how the same topic you can speak again and again on the different situations wherever you think it will help you. And at the same time, you can take the same ideas in your writing task 1 email whenever there is a situation that you're going to complain. As per the topic, you can use it. Okay, now I'm going to discuss another response that is a simple one. So this is, I had an unfortunate incident recently that left a strong impression on me. It all started when. So till here, this is an opening line. You can keep the same opening line. If you want to change, you can have another opening line that I have mentioned in the end of the video. Okay. So it all started when I purchased a Dell laptop online and I was very happy when it arrived. So here, instead of ecstatic, I have used happy and arrived. But when I opened, instead of unboxed, it is opened. So when I opened the box, I saw that the screen was broken. I called customer care immediately and told them what happened. The customer service person was very kind and said they would send me a new one. 2 days later, I got the new laptop. I was really happy. I was really pleased that they fixed the problem so quickly. This made me trust the company even more. Now I'm enjoying my new laptop and it works perfectly. Okay, so this is a simple way. If you want to speak something simple and you think, okay, I don't need like 9, 10, or 11, so I should better speak something simple. So this simple response is for you. Okay, and now I'm going to discuss some opening lines for this part 2. So opening lines for speaking part 2, the first one is, I went through a difficult experience that I think is worth sharing. It began when, and then you can explain the topic. Otherwise, you can just say, I had an unfortunate incident recently that left a strong impression on me. It all started. Okay, so this is how you can open it up. So one of the toughest experiences I have faced happened recently. It started, I encountered a frustrating situation not long ago that I would like to talk about. It became, or I would like to share a negative experience I had recently. It all started. So all these 5 different kind of opening sentences are for an experience where you think, okay, something bad happened, something negative, might be complaint or some disappointment or anything. Okay, so this is how I think this idea will help you and you can prepare your topic. If you like this idea, you can just like this video, share it with your friends, and you can write it down there in the comment section. So I will be making more videos with the new ideas and the new topics, so you'll get prepared. Okay, so keep learning with me. All the best.